Acid rain is the rain that forms when air humidity combines with nitrogen oxides, sulfur dioxide, or sulfur trioxide, emitted by factories, power plants, heating boilers, and vehicles that burn coal or petroleum products containing sulfur. In interaction with rainwater, these gases form nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and sulfuric acid. Finally, these chemical substances fall over the earth, accompanying rainfall, constituting acid rain. The primary air pollutants that give rise to acid rain can travel great distances, being carried by the wind hundreds of thousands of kilometers before precipitating in the form of dew, rain, drizzle, hail, snow, fog, or mist. When precipitation occurs, it can cause deterioration in the environment. Acid rain does not affect us in the worst possible way, although it is still not pleasant at all. But it is not the case of plants. Plants, and in general the vegetation, are seriously affected by causing damage, such as holes that pierce the leaves, causing significant damage to the vegetation and destroying nitrogen-fixing microorganisms. A very important indirect effect is the impoverishment of certain essential nutrients, so that plants and trees do not have them and become more vulnerable to pests. Possible solutions to avoid acid rain are: reduce the sulfur levels in fuel, placing a limit on the emission of nitrates and sulfur oxides that companies must comply with. Establish great controls of pollution levels and compliance with laws in this regard. Improvement of pollution laws. Close companies that do not regulate their pollution levels and refineries. Invest and opt more for the electric transport system. Opt for organic products for agriculture instead of using sulfates and other artificial chemicals. Using the three-way catalytic converter in vehicles with services to reduce harmful emissions. Use more natural gas both in industries and at home. Opt for clean and renewable energy. Have control of the water's alkalinity, then when necessary to balance their pH again. Promote the use of public transport versus private to reduce the number of vehicles and ensure that clean energy is used for such transport. On a personal level, reduce harmful emissions and pollution that is generated from the home or job. Assist associations that are dedicated to ensuring progress and to establishing the measures to solve the problem. Call on governments to commit themselves more to acting by providing means to establish the possible solutions to this environmental problem. Acid rain is the rain that